What's up everybody? In our previous videos we discussed this order block trading strategy, ICT order block trading strategy on smaller time frames like 3 minutes, 5 minutes or 15 minutes time frame. But in this video we will discuss the same order block strategy on higher time frames, and in this video I will discuss specifically the daily time frame. And the reason is, if you use ICT trading strategy, the main concern would be your daily bias. Like if you know your daily bias, then it becomes easy to apply ICT trading strategy. Okay, like you can trade in that direction if you know the daily bias. So I have seen many people who follow ICT trading strategy, their main concern is daily bias. So in this video we will use ICT order block strategy for our daily bias. So first we will discuss what order block is. Okay, we will discuss first this bullish order block. Here you can see this black line, this horizontal line shows the support. Okay, like there will be some previous support, I haven't drawn that, but this shows the support. Okay, then you will get a candle which closes below this support level, like this candle. Okay, it closed below the support level, and the next candle, okay, the next one will close above this candle, this down closing candle. So once you get a close below the support and then the next candle closes above it, then this is your order block. So then you will wait for the next candles to come down towards this area, and here you can long. That will be your area to long, and this will be your stop loss. So once you get a structure like this, this will be your indicator for uptrend. Okay, now let's discuss this bearish order block. Here you can see this candle closed above the resistance. Okay, and the next candle closed below that candle. So once you get this, the next candles will go up in this area and then it will go down. So this will be the indicator of downtrend, and that will be your stop loss. So I hope it's clear now. And now I will show you some examples from the Bitcoin chart. You can see it on indices or forex everywhere, but I will use the daily time frame on Bitcoin chart. Let me show you this one. Here you can see this was the support. Okay, so this candle came down, but the next candle didn't close above it, so it's not an order block. Now the next support was this one. Okay, this was your support, or you can use the VIX. Okay, so you can see this candle closed below this support. Okay, and the next candle closed above it, and then it came down a bit and then it went up. So you can see if you get a structure like this, this shows that it's going to go up. So this is an indicator for uptrend, and you can find your daily bias from this. Okay, let me show you another example, a bearish. Okay, so here you can see this candle closed above. Okay, this candle, this green one, closed above this resistance, and the next candle closed below it. Okay, the next candle closed below it, it went up. Like our stop loss would be here. I shorted it, but my stop loss got hit and then it came down. So it happens sometimes, like your stop loss gets hit and then it comes down. So invalidations are always there. Let me show you another example. Here you can see this is the support. Okay, first this was the resistance, now this is the support. Okay, let me draw this support line. So what happened is this candle came down, closed below this support. Okay, and then the next candle closed above it. You can see this black candle closed below, the next candle closed above it, it came down, and then uptrend. So using order block trading strategy, you can find your daily bias. Okay, I hope it's clear now.